You might think you know the story of Jerusalem's people, heroes, kings, and prophets, but what if I told you the real power lies in those often forgotten, the quiet families and servants behind the scenes? It sounds counterintuitive, right? The spotlight's usually on battles or big personalities, but here's the twist: understanding these unsung people changes everything. Imagine unlocking secrets about leadership, purpose, and identity that you won't find in any headline history book. Stick around, because reading 1 Chronicles 9 is like discovering a hidden map that guides us to reclaim purpose in our own lives, fast and practical. Then, let's read the chapter together. All Israel was listed in the genealogies recorded in the book of the kings of Israel and Judah. They were taken captive to Babylon because of their unfaithfulness. Now the first to resettle on their own property in their own towns were some Israelites, priests, Levites, and temple servants. Those from Judah, from Benjamin, and from Ephraim and Manasseh who lived in Jerusalem were Uthai son of Ammihud, the son of Omri, the son of Imri, the son of Bani, a descendant of Perez son of Judah. Of the Shelonites, Asaiah the firstborn and his sons. Of the Zerahites, Jewel. The people from Judah numbered 690. Of the Benjamites, Sallu son of Meshullam, the son of Hodaviah, the son of Hasenuah. Ibniah son of Jeraham, Elah son of Uzzi, the son of Mikri, and Meshullam son of Shephatiah, the son of Ruel, the son of Abnijah. The people from Benjamin, as listed in their genealogy, numbered 956. All these men were heads of their families. Of the priests, Jedaiah, Jehoiarib, Jachin, Azariah son of Hilkiah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Zadok, the son of Meraioth, the son of Ahitub, the official in charge of the house of God. Adaiah son of Jeraham, the son of Pashur, the son of Malchijah, and Masai son of Adiel, the son of Jazerah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Meshulamith, the son of Immer. The priests, who were heads of families, numbered 1,760. They were able men, responsible for ministering in the house of God. Of the Levites, Shemaiah son of Hashub, the son of Azrikam, the son of Hashabiah, a Merarite, Bakbakkar, Haresh, Galal, and Mattaniah son of Micah, the son of Zichri, the son of Asaph, Obadiah son of Shemaiah, the son of Galal, the son of Jeduthun, and Berechiah son of Asa, the son of Elkanah, who lived in the villages of the Netophathites. The gatekeepers, Shallum, Akub, Talmon, Ahiman, and their fellow Levites, Shallum their chief being stationed at the king's gate on the east, up to the present time. These were the gatekeepers belonging to the camp of the Levites. Shallum son of Korah, the son of Ebiasaph, the son of Korah, and his fellow gatekeepers from his family, the Korahites, were responsible for guarding the thresholds of the tent just as their ancestors had been responsible for guarding the entrance to the dwelling of the Lord. In earlier times Phinehas son of Eleazar was the official in charge of the gatekeepers, and the Lord was with him. Zechariah son of Meshelemiah was the gatekeeper at the entrance to the tent of meeting. Altogether, those chosen to be gatekeepers at the thresholds numbered 212. They were registered by genealogy in their villages. The gatekeepers had been assigned to their positions of trust by David and Samuel the seer. They and their descendants were in charge of guarding the gates of the house of the Lord, the house called the Tent of Meeting. The gatekeepers were on the four sides, east, west, north, and south. Their fellow Levites in their villages had to come from time to time and share their duties for 7-day periods. But the four principal gatekeepers, who were Levites, were entrusted with the responsibility for the rooms and treasuries in the house of God. They would spend the night stationed around the house of God, because they had to guard it, and they had charge of the key for opening it each morning. Some of them were in charge of the articles used in the temple service. They counted them when they were brought in and when they were taken out. Others were assigned to take care of the furnishings and all the other articles of the sanctuary, as well as the special flour and wine, and the olive oil, incense, and spices. But some of the priests took care of mixing the spices. A Levite named Mattathiah, the firstborn son of Shallum the Korahite, was entrusted with the responsibility for baking the offering bread. Some of the Kohathites, their fellow Levites, were in charge of preparing for every Sabbath the bread set out on the table. Those who were musicians, heads of Levite families, stayed in the rooms of the temple and were exempt from other duties because they were responsible for the work day and night. All these were heads of Levite families, chiefs as listed in their genealogy, and they lived in Jerusalem. Jeiel the father of Gibeon lived in Gibeon. His wife's name was Maacah, and his firstborn son was Abdon, followed by Zur, Kish, Baal, Nadab, Gedor, Ahio, Zechariah, and Mikloth. Mikloth was the father of Shimei. They too lived near their relatives in Jerusalem. Noah was the father of Kish, Kish the father of Saul, and Saul the father of Jonathan, Malchishua, Abinadab, and Eshbal. The son of Jonathan, Meribal, who was the father of Micah. The sons of Micah, Pithon, Melech, Tariah, and Ahaz. Ahaz was the father of Jada. Jada was the father of Elmeth, Asmaveth, and Zimri. And Zimri was the father of Moza. Moza was the father of Beniah. Rephaiah was his son, Elisa his son, and Azel his son. Azel had 6 sons, and these were their names: Azrikam, Bokeru, Ishmael, Sheariah, Obadiah, and Hanan. These were the sons of Azel. Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for His mercy. Hey God, thank you so much for opening our eyes through this study. It's amazing how you use even the smallest details to teach us so much about purpose and faith. Help me to take this knowledge out of the pages and live it every day, to serve, to lead, and to honor you in all I do. Give me the wisdom and courage to walk in the roles you've set for me, just like those faithful families in Jerusalem. I trust you'll guide me step by step. Amen. You might think you know the story of Jerusalem's people, heroes, kings, and prophets, but what if I told you the real power lies in those often forgotten, the quiet families and servants behind the scenes? It sounds counterintuitive, right? The spotlight's usually on battles or big personalities, but here's the twist: understanding these unsung people changes everything. Imagine unlocking secrets about leadership, purpose, and identity that you won't find in any headline history book. Stick around, because reading 1 Chronicles 9 is like discovering a hidden map that guides us to reclaim purpose in our own lives, fast and practical. And, as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.